Okay, go away.
I'll be back. So greetings, my people. Today is a very fine day to detail your car. It is Monday, January 26th, 2020. And all hell is breaking loose around the world. Hope you had yourself a great weekend. I am officially demonetized. I've been put in the poorhouse. I've been put in the poorhouse by YouTube. YouTube has decided to demonetize me, so I shall become very, very poor in the near future. And this pandemic is not helping the situation. People want me to wear masks in the building. I don't want to wear a mask in where I live in the building. Just don't feel like it. That's why I'm looking left and right. People have given me shit already for not wearing one. Anyways, I just gave the old C230 a wash this morning. As you can see, sorry about the post, but it was in the way. Unfortunately, this garage lacks on the lighting side of things, so you can't really see it that well. Yeah, maybe I should have taken it outside, but we are in Canada. We are in Montreal after all. It's probably minus 20 right now, so I'm not gonna film this outside given the cold temperatures and the wind. I hate winter. I don't know why I was born here in Montreal. I guess it happened by accident. Much rather be under the sun right now in a tropical country at the beach in Brazil. But I have to live with it. I have to go through it every year. So there it is. Washed it about 15-20 minutes ago. It was filthy, filthy, filthy. So right now I'm going to throw some quick detailer on it. So I guess I'm gonna set the camera down somewhere around here. I don't know if you can see that or not. So just give it a little shake. This is kind of a liquid wax for cars, as self-explanatory. I got a Canadian Tire. I can't remember how much it cost. I think it was about $7 or something of that nature. This is not the right way of doing it. You're supposed to throw some of this on one section at a time, but I break the rules all the time. No harm done. I have to get the microfiber towel out of the vehicle. I left them in the car. Here they are. It's a blue one and an orange one. The blue one you probably most likely won't be able to see because there's not enough light inside the car. Let's see here. Good place to put the camera. Will it stay here? I think so. Yeah, that might do the trick. I don't know. So right now, that being said, no swirly marks. I mean, just a back and forth motion as such. No wax on, no wax off to avoid scratches. When you wash your car with the microfiber, same don't waste your time doing swirls, because you'll have swirls in the clear coat after. Most likely you'll end up with scratches in the clear coat, so try to avoid that at all costs, at all times. So you're supposed to let it dry to a haze and then buff it out, but right now I'm just spreading it a bit. Easy does it. I think I need a camera person for this. Plus, there's not enough lighting in here. Not enough lights. So I can do a much better job if I weren't to be filming it, but anyways, you get idea. You get the idea. You get the gist of it. So I'll be doing that for the entire car. Let it dry to a haze and then I'll buff it out. I'll buff it out with the blue one. And that's pretty much it. That's all I want to show for you today. That's all I want to show to you today. Let it dry to a haze and then buff it with the other rag. Microfiber, very important. Microfiber towel always. It's extremely important. Of course, there's other techniques of drying your car after you've washed it. So you can use compressed air also to displace the water from the body of the car. There's also a squeegee that you can run on the body of the car to get rid of the water. And you can use a towel, a microfiber towel, to dry the car as well. So touchless ways with compressed air. So that's it. On to the next step. It's already shining before I even buff it. You can see. Anyways, thanks for watching my little video, my demonetization video. And now I'll be in the poorhouse. Thank you very much, YouTube. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.